Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today I want to tell you why you should get your vehicle custom dyno tuned by us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. But before I go on, make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube and click the bell for notifications. First of all, our strength lies in our experience. Our team of tuners and engineers boast well over a decade in experience of custom dyno tuning common rail diesel vehicles. Across our 3 performance centres and our dealer network, we would have custom dyno tuned over 30,000 vehicles. Specialising exclusively in common rail turbo diesel performance tuning, we don't engage in engine builds and big fuel systems. We don't even carry out general servicing here. Our service is concentrating on fitting a line of performance parts such as exhaust systems, larger intercoolers, intercooler fans, upgraded turbos, engine oil catch cans, secondary fuel filters, plus carrying out an on-car chemical soot cleans, and of course, performing custom dyno tunes. Our approach is narrow but highly specialised, ensuring that as a performance-orientated team, we have top-tier knowledge and skill for every job. Here are a few other reasons why you should choose Ultimate Diesel Tuning. We have state-of-the-art workshops in all 3 of our locations in Brisbane, Melbourne and the Gold Coast, and they're all equipped with top-of-the-line 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive Dynamics dynos, testing equipment such as scanners, smoke and pressure testing machines, fuel pressure and injector testers. All our equipment is top of the line and a lot of it is snap-on as well. I would also like to make note, our experienced technicians are fully qualified and specialise in common rail turbo diesel vehicles. They have several decades of combined experience in common rail turbo diesel vehicles and tuning. The pre-tune inspection is a crucial part that should be carried out before doing any custom dyno tuning on the vehicle. This ensures the vehicle is in good mechanical order and it's good to tune. At Ultimate Diesel Tuning, there's 2 parts to our inspection. Firstly, it's the mechanical, and the second is the dyno inspection. And both these enable us to find out if there's anything wrong with the vehicle. We look for any oil or fluid leaks that may be present. We check all the fluid levels to ensure that they are all within specifications. We also check the engine for any present buildup of diesel soot, which is the restrictive tar-like substance that develops in the upper engine components. And we also listen to the engine to ensure that there are no exhaust leaks or any other abnormal noises present. We run the vehicle on the dyno to establish a baseline performance for the vehicle. This also confirms the engine is performing like a standard vehicle should. We look for any possible turbo boost leaks or inconsistent or incorrect readings due to dirty or faulty sensors. We confirm that the fuel delivery is optimal and the engine's air-fuel ratios are normal. This step is extremely important to our engineers, and every single vehicle that we custom dyno tune receives this inspection. If we identify that the vehicle does have performance issues, it's really important that we fix this before we do the tune. So we'll get in contact with the customer and make sure it gets sorted. Each vehicle is individually tuned by our in-house engineers on our in-house dynos. Every vehicle is different, every engine is different. It doesn't matter if we have 2, say 2024 model 79 series cruisers in for tunes with the 1BD engines. They are both different vehicles with different engines and different uses. Therefore, they'll both have custom dyno tunes performed to them separately, tailored to each vehicle. The weight of the accessories fitted to the vehicle and the way the vehicle is being used play a really important role in the way we custom dyno tune the vehicles. We do not and will not just load a tune file into the ECU and run it up on the dyno and record the figures and say it's a custom dyno tune. This is not a custom dyno tune. In the industry, this is called a load and go or just a car park tune. There are massive differences between the 2 and they're like chalk and cheese. One will give you the best results, the custom dyno tune, and one will give you substandard, and a lot of the time outright dangerous results, the load and go tune. We are seeing this time and time again where we're having to retune these vehicles that have just had load and go files put in them, and it's outright dangerous. That's right, we focus on improving the all-round drivability for the vehicle, not just power and torque. Our custom dyno tuning will enhance a diesel vehicle's drivability by optimising the key engine parameters for better performance and delivery as well as efficiency. With a custom dyno tune at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, you can expect substantially increased power and torque delivery across the whole rev range, performed safely and reliably. Smoother throttle response, smoother acceleration and reduction in throttle lag. Reduced turbo lag, power and torque at lower RPM will be optimised greatly, improving engine responsiveness and providing more immediate power delivery. Enhanced RPM performance, low-end torque will be maximised for smooth, low-speed driving, and mid-high-end torque will also be maximised for highway driving. Smoother gear changes. We optimise the torque limits of the automatic transmissions when applicable to ensure smoother gear shifts and enhanced overall drivability. Optimization for aftermarket modifications. We tailor the tune to accommodate any aftermarket engine modifications that the vehicle may have, ensuring that the performance benefits of the upgrades is maximised for the owner of the vehicle. In most cases, improved fuel efficiency is also achieved. While these improvements can vary, and it does depend on your driving style, most of our customers do report back a 5 to 10% improvement in fuel efficiency. This improvement is largely due to the tune reducing the need for heavy acceleration, allowing the vehicle to achieve the same level of performance with less throttle input. In summary, a custom dyno tune by Ultimate Diesel Tuning will give you better power and torque, better drivability, and a lot more enjoyable to drive. So guys, all the points we've covered today come down to what we call the UDT experience. The exceptional service and expertise we provide to every customer that drives through our door. I hope this video has given a valuable insight to how we operate here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Every vehicle we tune receives the utmost care, and our commitment is always to deliver the best and safest result for our customers. If you need any further information, don't hesitate to contact our diesel experts or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.